Hello beautiful friends, this is Aiza and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a Jeffree Star Cosmetics The Blood Sugar Liquid Lipstick Vault Try On Swatches. How cute is this packaging? I am obsessed. This is really pretty. And let's go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. I am the kind of person who loves dark lipstick, so I'm gonna go ahead and start from this dark lipstick up to the light one. This is in the shade Misery. So the next shade that I have here is Bite My Tongue. I like this. Next is Unicorn Blood. This is scary because there's no stopper. So next is the shade Forbidden Fruit. So next is Pink House. This shade kind of matches my outfit and my eyeshadow. Alright, so next is Heartbeat. I actually like this shade. Next is Heart Rate. This is such a nice, pretty red. Next is in the shade Wifey. This is such a nice matte finish red shade lipstick. My lips started to burn already. And I have like 17 more to go. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can make this. Poor lips. Next is in the shade Red Rum. Next is in the shade Sucker Punch. So I already did 10 of them and my lips are pretty rough already. And there's 15 more to go. So now I have here the shade Cherry Soda. So next I have the shade Cherry Wet. I really like this shade. Cherry Wet. So the next shade I have here is Pink Veins. I feel like my lips is about to surrender. Anyway, so the next thing that I have here is called Fire Starter. So next one is in the shade Brick. So now I have prom night. And now I have the shade Candy Joint. Okay, so the next thing I have here is called Sugar Spike. Okay, so the next thing I have here is Sweet Tooth. Okay, so next is called Dull Parts. Okay, so the next thing I have here is called Diva. So next is I have Queen Supreme. Okay, so next is Cavity. Okay, so next shade is Romeo. So finally, I'm down to the last shade, which is this bubblegum. So So now I'm just applying some lip balm because my lips is burning so bad. After trying all the 25 shades of lipstick, I'm just glad that my lips didn't bleed at all. Questions. Have you already decided yet if you're going to get this lipstick vault or not? Or are you just waiting until Jeffree Star will release the full-size new 16 shades? What are your favorite shades? Do you think it's worth it or not? So that's it. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and find my video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's talk. I'm really curious about what you guys think. See you next time. Bye!